What if you never had to replace your watch battery again? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 solar watches that combine cutting-edge technology, long-term reliability, and incredible value. These watches are powered by light, require minimal maintenance, and can run for months even in complete darkness. Whether you're looking for a rugged, everyday watch, a stylish dress watch, or an adventure-ready timepiece, this list has something for every watch enthusiast. Let's get started and discover the 5 solar watches that are changing the game in 2026. Number 5. Citizen Eco Drive Promaster Diver BN0151-009L, kicking off our countdown, is a dive watch built for serious water work without the serious price tag. The Citizen Promaster Diver BN0151-09L runs on Eco Drive technology, meaning it's powered entirely by light and never needs a battery change. The 44mm stainless steel case is ISO 6425, certified for professional diving, rated to 200 meters of water resistance. A unidirectional rotating bezel with a black ceramic insert keeps dive timing accurate and scratch resistant. The dial features Citizen's signature LumiBright coating on the hands and markers, glowing bright green in low light for safe underwater reading. A screw-down crown and case back add extra protection against water intrusion at depth. The watch comes fitted with a durable stainless steel bracelet, though many owners swap it for a rubber strap for actual diving use. Hardlex crystal protects the dial from scratches during daily wear and underwater activity. This piece blends function with everyday wearability, working equally well at the office or in open water. For anyone wanting a true tool watch with zero maintenance hassle, this Citizen Promaster delivers exceptional value. It's an ideal entry point into serious dive watches without committing to luxury Swiss pricing. Battery-free operation means one less thing to worry about on long trips or extended dives. The case shape follows classic dive watch proportions, balancing wrist presence with comfortable daily wear. Number 4. Casio G-Shock GAB2100-1A. Next up is a watch that fuses analog elegance with G-Shock's legendary toughness. The GAB2100-1A, often called the Casio, takes design cues from luxury sports watches while keeping G-Shock's signature durability intact. Its octagonal bezel and integrated bracelet design give it a premium look at a fraction of the cost of comparable luxury pieces. The case is built from G-Shock's shock-resistant construction, protecting the movement from drops, knocks, and rough handling. It carries 200 meters of water resistance, making it suitable for swimming and most water-based activities. The analog-digital hybrid display combines a classic dial with a digital sub-dial E for added functionality. Features include a stopwatch, countdown timer, world time function, and an LED backlight for visibility in the dark. Its resin construction keeps the watch lightweight on the wrist despite its substantial sporty appearance. The neutral black colorway makes it versatile enough to pair with both casual and slightly dressier outfits. This model has become a favorite among collectors looking for an affordable alternative to high-end integrated bracelet watches. Shock resistance and water resistance combine to make it genuinely wearable for outdoor activity, sports, and travel. Number 3. Seiko Prospex Solar SNE589. Landing at number 3 is a solar-powered diver that punches well above its price class. The Seiko Prospex SNE589 combines Seiko's diving heritage with practical solar technology for low-maintenance ownership. The 42.7mm stainless steel case houses a reliable solar movement, eliminating the need for battery replacements entirely. A unidirectional rotating bezel allows for accurate dive time tracking, finished with Seiko's signature LumiBright on the markers. Water resistance rated to 200 meters makes this watch fully capable for recreational diving and snorkeling. The dial design draws from Seiko's iconic diver lineage, offering bold, legible markers against a clean black or blue dial option. A screw-down crown helps maintain water resistance integrity during depth changes and pressure shifts. Hardlex crystal provides solid scratch resistance for everyday or wear and underwater conditions. The stainless steel bracelet feels substantial on the wrist with a diver's extension. For wetsuit compatibility, Seiko's solar charging system means the watch stays powered through ambient light exposure, even indoors. This model represents excellent value within Seiko's broader Prospex diving collection. It appeals to both new dive watch buyers and seasoned collectors looking for a dependable solar option. The combination of proven dive watch design and modern solar efficiency makes daily wear effortless. Number 2. Citizen Promaster Navihawk AT at number 2 is a serious tool. Watch built for pilots and aviation enthusiasts. The Citizen Promaster Navihawk AT combines eco-drive, solar power with radio-controlled atomic timekeeping for exceptional accuracy. This watch automatically syncs as to atomic clock signals, ensuring precision down to the second across multiple time zones. The dial is densely packed with aviation-specific functions, including a flight computer, slide rule bezel for in-flight calculations. A built-in alarm, chronograph, and dual-time function make this watch a genuine cockpit, companion rather than just a style piece. The stainless steel case is robust and substantial, built to handle the demands of frequent travel and active use. Eco-Drive solar technology means the watch charges from any light source, removing battery replacement concerns entirely. World time functionality lets wearers track multiple time zones simultaneously, a major asset for frequent flyers. The black dial with luminous markers ensures excellent legibility in both daylight and low-light cockpit environments. Water resistance rated to 200 meters adds further durability for active, outdoor, and travel-heavy lifestyles. This watch reflects Citizen's deep aviation watchmaking heritage refined over decades of pilot-focused engineering. Number 1. Casio G-Shock GAB2100-1A. Topping our countdown is the watch many consider the purest expression of G-Shock's original mission: indestructible, accurate, and endlessly practical. The GAB2100 updates the legendary square G-Shock silhouette with modern solar and radio sync technology. Multiband 6 radio control automatically syncs the time to atomic clock signals across major regions, keeping it always accurate. Tough solar power means the watch charges from light, exposure, and effectively never needs a battery swap. The resin case and band offer exceptional shock resistance, surviving drops, impacts, and rough daily use without issue. Water resistance, rated to 200 meters, makes it suitable for swimming, water sports, and harsh outdoor conditions. Its digital display includes a stopwatch, countdown timer, multiple alarms, and an easy-to-read backlight for nighttime visibility. The compact, classic square case shape has become iconic, instantly recognizable as the original G-Shock design language. Despite its tough-as-nails construction, the watch remains lightweight and comfortable for extended daily wear. This model represents incredible value, delivering features found in far pricier watches at an accessible price point. Its simplicity is part of its appeal, focusing on core functionality rather than unnecessary complications. The auto calendar and accurate timekeeping mean owners rarely, if ever, need to manually adjust the watch.